Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Let's give a couple of minutes for others to join. Okay, guys, yesterday we discussed about few of the text functions, right? Let's continue whatever we left yesterday. So we discuss about text function. In text function, what is DD?
Date,
Date.
Triple D?
Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah. What time?
MON to UE, WAD.
What time
Full
D?
form of the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yes. Triple M?
Month.
JN, FEB, MER.
Yes, correct. Okay. Now let's this exercise we'll discuss later, not now. Char and code. Before this current code, let me explain you very simple exercise. Let's suppose if I'm entering 1 and 2 and dragging it down, the next number will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Here, if I'm taking 2 and 4, I'm dragging it down, system is taking that two table. Perfect. If I'm taking number 3 and number 6, dragging it down, working fine. If I'm taking 1, 3, dragging it down, working fine. If I'm taking Monday and Tuesday, if I'm dragging it down, Monday to Friday it's showing me, but not Saturday, Sunday. Can you check once? Just type in MON and TUA and dragging it down in your system and tell me what you are able to see. What do you see? Anyone can try.
I'm getting Saturday and Sunday.
Yes. So by default, you know, you'll get it from from Monday to Sunday. How can I get that? Okay, if I am entering Monday, Tuesday, if I'm dragging it down, it should stop at Friday and then again it should give me Monday. In system, by default, the custom edit list is Monday to Sunday. How can I take this list Monday to Friday? This is Monday to Friday list. I'll copy this, go to file, more options, then advanced. In advanced, go to this option, general. In general, you'll find edit custom list. Click on it. Even though already have selected F1 to F5, that's what's showing me this range. If it is not showing, click on this arrow, select this range and say import and add. Once you say import and add, it will be added here. Can you see in my list? Monday to Friday, add it. Okay. Hit OK and OK, and hit OK. Then you will find this list. Okay. Same thing like here. Let's suppose if I'm writing Sai, Bhargav, okay, Pankaj. Why this J is not working in my system? Sagar and Mrityunjay. These are the names. If I'm writing Sai here, if I'm dragging it down, next name should be Bhargav, Pankaj, Sagar, Yukti, Mrityunjay like this. But what is showing me? Only Sai, Sai, Sai only. That list also I can create it. Simply go there, file, home, more, options, click on advanced, edit custom list, select this range, hit OK, hit OK. Now you write anywhere, Sai, dragging it down. What happened? Sai, Sai, Sai. Okay, 1 minute. Not working. 1 minute. Let me just change. Let me just copy this again. Let me do one more time. Home options, advanced. It's not added here, right? Okay, added import. Now it is showing and hit OK. Add. Okay, now it is showing. Now it should work. If I say SAISI and dragging it down, next name will be Bhargav, Pankaj, Sagar, Yukti, Mrityunjay. If I start with Bhargav, next name will be after Bhargav?
Pankaj.
Yes. Start with Pankaj. Let's suppose Sagar. Next name will be
Yukti.
Yukti.
next name will be Mrityunjay. After Mrityunjay, again it will start with
Sai.
Sai. Now, next is A, B. Next should be C, right? In my system, it is showing A, B, C, D, everything. Can you try once in your system? Sai. Can you write it A, B and drag it down? What is showing to you?
Repeating AB, AB.
A, B, A, B only, right?
Right.
Because do not have that list with you. In that case, we need to write first A to Z, right? First, I need to write A, B, C, D manually. Then up to Z, you need to write. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then I can create a custom list. But in order to avoid that, A, B, C, D up to Z, you have to write manually. We have one thing. The function name is char and code. Code and char. Code and char. If I'm writing here, 1 minute, if I'm writing here, A, what is the code for, sorry, what is the code for A? What is the code for A? Okay. There are total ASCII ASCII code. This is called ASCII code. There are total
65.
255 ASCII code in system. ASCII code nothing but American Standard Code for International Exchange. Full form. There are total 1 to 255 character numbers in the system. Each alphabet has been assigned one number. What is the code for this A? What is the code for this A? What is the code for number?
65.
If I write capital B, what is the code for B? Result?
66.
What is the code for small a?
Right.
Now I know that if I write number 65, number 66, right? I want to know what is the char for reverse now. I'm writing number and checking what character assigned to this number in the system. A, B. Now, if I can drag this number, because number wise it's working fine, right? I can drag it. Same thing, I can drag it here also. The list is ready. I want to take list up to Z, right? Control C. I can paste it here, old DSV value, so that I problem will not be repeated. Okay, done. Now you can take this list, copy it, and you can create a edit custom list. Got it? Yeah. So char and code clear. What is char
Yeah.
and code? Yes,
So
sir.
depends on the character, it will give you the code. Depends on the code, it will give you the character.
Exactly. Yeah. Concat done exact function. What is exact function? I'll tell you.
But I
See.
have one question on the option that you did.
Hmm.
So we gave the range, right, from Monday to Friday.
Hmm.
So unfortunately, I don't know. I give a range for that particular reference. So I changed it. What will happen?
No, what range you have given Monday to Friday only, right?
Right.
Okay, then what happened after this?
No, what my question is, so from can you go to that sheet, please?
Okay.
So in the options, we gave the range from F1 to F5.
Yeah.
So if I delete the range from here,
Mm-hmm.
will it get deleted from the options that we did?
Delete it. Okay. Go there. Custom options. Advanced.
Okay.
It has been added already here. Doesn't
Okay.
matter. Yeah.
Okay.
Even though already deleted it, if I can close this file also, if I open a new file, if I write ammo and Monday, Tuesday, working fine.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay. Exact. What is exact function is, if I'm writing here A, B, C, A, B, C. AB is equal to ABC.
True.
True. ABC and a capital ABC. This equal to this. Result is true. If I say exact function, text 1 is this, comma text 2 is this. Result true. Exact text 1, comma text 2. False. Exact function works case sensitively. Okay. Got it?
Sir, it is case sensitive or it is finding the ASCII value?
The voice is very low.
Wait, is it case sensitive or is it searching for ASCII value?
Case sensitive.
Case sensitive, not ASCII value, na?
No, case sensitive only.
Okay.
Yeah. If I write here, let's suppose Rohit is the name, right? If I write exact, comma this, false. Done?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Exact functions case sensitive. Okay. Left, right bit we discussed already. Len function discussed. Search and find. Very, very important. What is search and find? If I want to know which place M is there, tell me which place M, count number 1,
Yes.
right?
1,
C which place?
3.
Third. I want to know that, okay, what is the search? Find text. I am finding for capital M. Within text, this text. Result is 1. I am finding for C. This text. Result will be 3. I am
So we do
finding
have
for
multiple C's, right?
1 minute, 1 minute. I'm finding for capital C. That is
Okay.
still 3. Doesn't matter if it is capital C, small c. Doesn't matter. Search
So
is not.
it is not a case sensitive, right, sir?
Yes, it's not a case sensitive. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I write search of find text, what I'm searching for, I'm searching for, let's suppose this C, comma, within text, this text, comma. How many arguments, by the way, in this formula?
3.
3 arguments. Find
3.
text 1, within text 2, start number 3rd. The start number is optional argument, right?
Yes.
Start number. Start number means I want to start, let's suppose, I want to start number 5. Tell me now result of this. I'm searching for C in this text and start, it will be searching start from 5th number.
Within 5 number, 5 letters.
5 answer.
C. Only
Hmm.
one, sir. Only one is answer.
It's the answer, sir.
Hmm?
12. Next
Eight, sir.
C will count.
Next C will be count. Yes, that's correct. Only next C will be count. But the output will be in that case
1.
1.
why 1?
Because the next one एक ही C है ना उसके बाद में इसलिए.
From starting letter 13.
See guys, starting with 5, nothing but starting with this O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, so 13 na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Yeah. Means what happen is starting with 5. See, if I'm saying starting with 5, it will not consider this C because starting with 5. यहाँ से count करके start में जाएगा again, that will be searching for this C. If I say start with 2, then in this case result will be
Answer is 3.
3 only, right? Yeah. If I say start with, let's suppose 10, result will be still
13.
yes. Got it? Got the logic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now if I search
Okay.
find text is small c, comma, within text, this text. Start number, I'm not giving anything because this is optional argument, close parenthesis, done. Result is 3. If I'm searching for find of capital C, comma, within text, this text. Do you see any capital C in this text?
No.
In this? No, result will value. It means find is what? Find is case
Case
sensitive.
sensitive.
Yes,
sensitive.
difference between find and search is only find is a case sensitive, wherein search is not a case sensitive. Very, very important. Write it down. Find is case sensitive, wherein search is not a case sensitive. Okay, now tell me. I want to search space. Tell me, what should I write? If I say find, tell me, find text is what?
Double quotes,
Double
Okay.
quote, space, double quote.
space, double quote, comma.
Okay.
Within the text,
Within a
Okay.
text.
Close bracket.
close.
Result will be, tell me.
1.
6.
3, 4, 6.
Exactly. Result will be 6. Why
6.
1?
Okay, sorry, sir. 6. I thought space is only one character. That's
I'm not
I'm thinking
counting.
mistake.
I'm not counting. I am searching which place it is. Don't get confused.
Okay.
You're counting it. One space is there. No, I'm not counting spaces. I'm counting which place it is on. 6th place space, right?
Okay.
Tell me result of this. I want to search small a. This text, and I want to search second small a. Tell me what should I write here?
3.
3,
3, 4, 5, whatever it is, but it should be after 2 only.
3.
Correct?
Yes.
Now tell me the result of this.
7.
7, sir.
Exactly.
So, right.
None. What is rept? Rept is nothing but repeat value. Repeat. Let's suppose I want to write this VBA 10 times or 5 times. 5 times I want to repeat. Repeat. Text is this, comma, number times 10 times. 10 times VBA. But space is missing.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, in the above formula, like find and search. So if I want to know how many A or B are there in Microsoft, can I use that search and find?
That I will discuss as part of our count function.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So VBA, I want to repeat 10 times VBA. 10 times I wrote this function rept. Text is this 10 times, yes, but there is no space.
Okay.
How can I get the space?
Comma, double quotes.
Double quotes, comma.
Okay. Done.
Comma. B94, comma.
So B90. B94, comma, sir.
B94, comma. Okay, here.
Yeah.
And here also. What if I can give space here only then?
PP.
See, here only I put a space. But there is no space here. It's only VBA. Not taking, right? In that case, I want to add and symbol here, right? And space is this.
And
Added this. Now comma 10 times. Done. Next, value function. What is the value function? Value function will give you the value of the numbers. If it is text formatted number. What is the value of this? Tell me. 13 is the value only. But what if I change this to text? What is the value of this? This is now text only, right? So if you have any text formatted number, and the text formatted number value, if you want to know that, you can write which function? Value function. Result is 13. Same thing here. If I want to know what is the value of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nothing but this value function will change text formatted number into number.
Data type it will change, right?
Data type will be changed and it will change that text formatted number into number. If I say these three number, if I change this into, let's suppose, text, if I write here number 10, number 20, number, if I say sum of these three, result will be nothing, 0. Why 0?
Because it is in text format.
Text format. If I say same thing, value of number, this number, this number, control D. If I say now sum of these three number, result will be 6. Clear?
60.
Value function. Substitute, replaced, completed already. Clean function. What is a clean function? This clean function. Okay, how can I remove this unnecessary spaces from here?
Unnecessary.
Spaces.
trim,
Trim.
sir.
Trim function I will use. But do you see that it has removed the unnecessary spaces, but one thing is still there. What is that?
Question
Not
mark.
question mark icon.
Question mark.
That question mark is basically is what I'll tell you. This question mark is ASCII code, which one? 12. 1 to 32, it's non-printable characters. Nothing but this question mark is the non-printable character. And whenever you see any kind of non-printable character in your cell, it cannot be removed with the help of trim function. That can be removed with the help of which function? Clean function. Which
Clean.
function? Clean function. Apply clean here only, clean function here only. Add one more pair.
So in what scenarios we'll get this type of ASCII keys?
This kind of scenario only, where is your question mark or any other like symbol like this, or symbol like, any of the symbol like this, up to 32. Because 1 to 32 numbers are non-printable characters.
So
Space is what
non-printable means?
non-printable means if you are writing like this, if you're taking a print of this on a page, what will be printed?
Excel VBA Meridian.
Excel VB. You're telling Excel VB, you're not telling a space, right?
Okay.
Space is there, correct?
Huh.
Do you think that for a space it will take a ink? Printer will take up ink to print a space? No, right?
Oh no.
That is a non-printable character. Space. You get a like might be you get like these kind of things in your sales and everything. That time you can use clean function. Not so much important, but good to know. Upper, lower, proper, completed, trim, completed. Text function. What is text function? Already done. What is formula text? Formula text is nothing but which formula or what formula we applied in a particular cell. Let's suppose I want to know formula text. I want to know in this cell which function we used. Choose this cell, hit up. In this cell, I use clean and trim function. Yeah. Okay. First, let's discuss this exercise, this one, and then we'll come with this, and then we'll discuss this also. Okay. First, let's discuss this one. Very, very important. Let me delete everything. Deleted. Let me delete everything here also. Done. Done. Now, Microsoft Excel, I want to write here, I want to take left side text, Microsoft, South, Internet, New, and Praveen. That I want. I can use with the help of flash fill also I can use, right? If I say Microsoft, if I say Control E, working fine. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. I do not want to use this flash fill, right? I want to use which function. If I want to take Microsoft, I will use
Left.
left function. Text is this. I want to take Microsoft. How many characters I will take?
3, 6, 9, 10. 10.
Count it one more time.
9, sir.
9. 9.
9 only, right? 9. I'll drag it down. Okay. South, how many? South.
5.
I'll change this number to 5. Internet, how many?
8.
8, sir.
New, how many?
3.
Praveen, how many?
7.
7.
9.
Praveen is 7. Who's saying 9?
Sir.
Who's saying 9 for Praveen?
Eight.
Done. Microsoft, South, Internet, New, and Praveen. What did we do? What did we do here? We changed these numbers manually. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you have some 100 names, it won't be possible that, okay, first name, last name. First name, last name, if you have in one cell. and you want to take a first name, then 100 times you need to change these numbers. Here I change this number from 9 to 5, 9 to 8, 9 to 3, 9 to 7, right? Not feasible? Yes or no?
Yes.
How can I take this Microsoft South Internet New and Praveen, okay, without writing these numbers manually? Now you tell me, what is the common thing in these all the names? What is the common thing? What do you say?
Space.
Space. Yes. And how can I find the space? Which function I will use? How can I
Dash
find
space.
which place space it is? Which place space it is? I will use which function?
Okay.
Find
Find.
what?
Double,
Double
Space.
quotes, double
Double quote
quotes
space.
double quotes.
within text. This text. If I say space minus one, nothing but this minus result is 95837. 9,
Hmm.
number 9, number 5, number 8, number 3, number 7. Same thing, same number. Yes or no?
Yes.
95837. What I did, I searched for space position. Space position is which one? 10, 6, 9, 4, 8. If I say space minus 1, then if I say space is here, minus 1 nothing but 9, space is here on 6th place, 6 minus 1 nothing but 5, space is here 9 minus 1 nothing but 8. If I say space is here 4 minus 1 nothing but 3, space is here nothing but 8 minus 1 nothing but 7. This is my requirement, right? This is what you get it. 95837. Now I will use left function. Which function I'll use?
Left.
Left. Text is what? This is my text. Select it, comma. Number character. I will choose this cell. Done. Now I search first with space, then space minus 1, then I use left function. I can just club it with the help of two functions. Which function I use
Left and
first?
space. Left and
Concatenate.
space.
I use find, right? Then I say find minus 1. Then I use left function. I can use left function. Okay, left of. You can say left of. This is my text, comma. Then I will use find of space, comma. Within text, this text. Find minus 1. Okay, done. Close parenthesis. Same result. I applied find and here find minus 1. Nothing but this is the function I applied there. Find minus 1.
Sir, can you repeat the last one, sir? I understood till F column, last one, left plus find.
Which function I apply here?
Find.
And which function I apply here? Find minus 1, yes or no?
1. Yes, yes.
This minus 1, nothing but find minus 1. Any
Right.
question in find minus 1? Tell
No,
me, tell
no,
me.
sir.
Don't
No,
look
sir.
at here.
No, sir.
Don't look at here. Look at here only. Any question here?
No, sir.
Okay. What function I use here?
Left.
Simply, I just applied find minus 1 and then left function here. That's it.
Okay. Can you go to column left, sir? Microsoft. Only left, only left.
Left. Correct. Okay.
Not this one, sir. Left function, you have space.
Okay, here. Okay.
Here. Okay. Can you click on right arrow, sir? Right arrow. Right side.
Okay.
I just want to say. Okay, got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Now, if I change this name, let's suppose I change this name to Rohit Sharma. In my manual practice, it's wrong because I gave 9. It will be taking 9. But see, in my function formula, it is giving me only Rohit. If you're taking it manually, then manually you need to change it up again back to 5. Then it will be changed. Otherwise, 9 characters. But in my function, see here. Because in my function, space minus 1. Space minus 1, nothing but 5. That's what taking 5 there. Same thing here. I want to take right. Nothing but Excel, India Explorer, York, and Kumar I want to take. Which function I will use?
Right.
Right of text is this, comma 5. Drag it down. India, 5 only. Explorer, how many? York, how many?
4.
Kumar, how many?
5.
5.
I can also use with the help of
That's
class 4. Yeah. Now, one example. Let me say border to this, and this is margin center. Let me tell BHL to Amirpet. Okay, BHL to Amirpet, and distance is, let's suppose, 25 kilometer. This part is nothing but BHU. This part is nothing but Amirpet. Now, here, let's suppose I'll put my cursor here to here. Okay, and here to here. Let me write KBHB to Amirpet. KBHB to Amirpet, and this distance is, let's suppose, this distance is 8 kilometers. If distance from here to here is 25 kilometer, distance from here to here 8 kilometer. Tell me distance of this will be
25 minus 8.
means
17.
17 only, right? Distance from here to here, it will be 17 kilometer. Excellent. So this will be 17 kilometer, 17 km. Agree? Yes or no? Agree, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's take this same example in this case. Total length. What is total length? How can I take the total length? Which function?
LEN.
Length. First space I want to find. Which function I will use? How to find first space?
Find.
Find function. Find text space, comma, within text this text. Done. Now, if total length of this text is 15 and first space is 10, tell me what is the right hand side value? Total length minus first space?
5.
Yes or no? Total length is 15. If I say distance up to here, distance from here to here is 10, the remaining will be
5.
same case for this example here. Distance from here to here is 25 kilometer. If distance from here to here 17 kilometer, the remaining will be 8
8
kilometer.
kilometer.
Same thing here. This total distance is
15 kilometer.
15. Distance from M to space is how much kilometer? 10 kilometer example. Then 15 minus 10 is what?
5.
It means this minus this. The right hand side value. What is right hand side value?
Excel.
5. Result is 5. Same thing. I can drag it down. I can drag this down. Now, India, how many characters? 5. Result is
5.
5. Explorer, how many? 8.
8.
8 is here. York, 4. Kumar, 5. Now, if you know these numbers, 5, 5, 8, 4, 3, can you use the right function here?
Yes,
Right. Text is, this is my text,
Microsoft Excel.
comma, right value this, drag it down. Now tell me how many functions I applied here. First, what I applied?
Length,
Len.
And what I applied?
find function.
Fine.
What I applied?
Right.
Nothing but len minus first
Right
space, yes or
function.
no?
Right. Yes, sir.
Len minus first space, and then I applied right function, yes or no? So can I apply here right function, right of? My text is this, comma. Then which function I applied here?
Length,
I apply len function, len of this, then len minus first space I
first
applied.
space.
Find first space within text, this text. Now this is closed, this is closed. So I need to close one more time. This is also closed. Right function. The same manner you need to apply the same function. Okay, do not write directly to this function. Okay, very, very important. Apply first len function, first space. Then first space minus, sorry, len minus first space will be your right side value. Then apply right function. Right of, this is the number character. After this, apply right len find. Any question in right value? Nothing but len minus first space.
No.
Len first space. Len minus first space, nothing but 15 minus 10. Result is 5. Same thing I applied here. Len minus first space. Same question. Then I applied right function. Okay. Practice on this, guys. Very, very important. Here, concat with. Nothing but I want to use few email addresses. I have some email addresses in Excel and I want to send email through Outlook. You know, whenever you are using any email address, what you are putting after that? Email address, then again, you're putting this symbol. Which symbol? Semicolon. Then again, copy this, again semicolon. Again, copy this, again semicolon. And after that, once it is done, then we are sending an email to the particular person, all the person, right? I want to use this symbol after each and every email address. I will use this function. Which function? Text join. What is delimiter here?
Semicolon.
Is it okay to write like this semicolon? Is it okay?
Better to take the reference.
No, I don't want to take reference.
Okay.
Is it okay to write delimiter like this?
Should you double quotes, sir?
Exactly, double quote, because text only, right? Double quote, correct. True. Ignore empty cells. If you see any empty cells here, let's suppose 150 is here, 151, there is nothing, it's blank, then 152 is here. Yes, I want to ignore blanks. Then yes, true. Double click on this true, comma, text 1, comma 2, comma 3, text 1, 2, 3. Select this range, hit OK. Can you see? abc@gmail.com, then semicolon, def@gmail.com, then semicolon. Now I want to use dash 1000 dash 2000 dash 3000 dash 4000 dash 5000. I want to use that. How can I use that? Tell me. Text join.
Text join.
Delimiter will be
Dash.
Dash.
ignore empty cells. Yes, true. Double click on it. Mark the numbers. Done.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Hello,
Yes, yes, go ahead, go ahead.
sir. Regarding this one, sir, 1000 minus 2000 minus 3000 like that. So is it converted to text or in the still it's in values?
Number only.
Number, the right side one, sir, which we applied the formula. Text join.
Here.
Yes, this is one.
Hmm.
If I keep so for example,
Hmm?
so can you please enter, sir? Enter once.
Okay.
Equal to select upper one, sir. No, select upper cell. That's it. Not text join, sir.
Okay, equal to this.
Not that formula. Select
Hmm?
press enter, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, I mean to say, sir, I mean to say that if I applied formula, for example, 1 lakh minus this value, still it works as in text or it's in converted into values.
This is not minus, na?
Yeah, minus only, sir. If I deduct from 1 lakh, example, I'm taking example, 10,000.
See, what happened
That is
is
hyphen.
you are using 1000 minus 100. Yeah, it's considering as minus only. But
Right.
this is here it will be 900, but here it will not be 900. If you are using here,
Mm-hmm.
if you are using this thing, pasting here all DSV values, and then if you're putting it equal symbol here,
Okay.
now can you see now?
Okay. So the formula which is text join is still is in text only, not
Exactly.
that values.
Yes, yes.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yep, yep. Okay. So whatever discussed here, please practice on the same. This exercise, this one, and this one. These three are pending. I will not let you know today, but please practice whatever we discussed today and yesterday. Please practice on the same. And tomorrow we'll discuss these exercises. Let's date and time function. Date and time. What is the shortcut key to enter time or so date?
Control semicolon.
Control
Yes.
plus
Control semicolon. Control semicolon, right? If I use control and semicolon, today's date, or I can use function name as a today function. How many arguments?
no argument, sir.
The argument function. Yeah, close parenthesis done. If I use 3/5/2020, tell me which date will be changed, the yellow one or the green one tomorrow?
Volatile one, the
The
green one, sir.
formula, green one.
Yes.
Volatile.
And if you are using shortcut key, or if you are using, today function, it will be giving me always which
Why?
format? Which format? System format.
Step format.
In
System
my
format.
system format is MMDDYYYY. It's giving me MMDDYYY.
Okay.
month, third, date 5. Okay. Same thing. How can I enter the current time with the help of shortcut key? Control Shift
Control shift
and
semicolon.
semicolon. If I want to write with the help of function, then I'll use which function?
Now.
No.
If I have 3 columns, columns are like this. One column I have here, another column I have month, another column I have day. And I want to create a date from these 3 columns. Date. What is the year? This. What is the
17.
month? This. What is the day? This. Close. 12, 7, 17, 1, 12, 18. If I take today's date with shortcut key control and semicolon, this is a today's date. From this today's date, I want to fetch from this date now. From this date, now I want to take year, month, and day. Year, month, and day. I can use year function. How many arguments?
1.
One.
What is that?
Serial.
Serial.
And if it is asking serial number, what we can give? If it is asking serial number, what we can give? If it is asking serial number in syntax, serial number, date, time, it is asking, then what you can give? You can give. What you can give?
Date or time.
Date and
Date time.
Date or time. Syntax, in syntax, it is asking serial number. What you can give? You can give
Date
date
or time.
time. So here I am asking year. It means I need to give date. Yes or no? Year. Serial number is this. And let me freeze it so that I can directly and drag it and change the formula name. Now I want to take month. Oh, sorry guys. Month will be
5.
3.
Okay.
Day will be
5.
I have told you how to take a date from 3 different columns and how to take a month, year, and day from a single date. Done. Now, this is my time. Or let's suppose I want to create a time. Hour, minute, second. What is the hour now? 10
10.
hours.
10.
Wow. Minute, how many? 31.
41. 41.
Seconds, let me give any 15, let's suppose. What is the time now? 10, 31, 15. That time which I wrote, this time will not be changed because this is the time I've taken manually entered. Which time input type it is? Which
Hour,
input?
minute, second.
All one at
How many input ways? How many input ways we have?
3.
What are these?
We have 3 words, sir. Manual, reference, and formula.
हाँ इतना टाइम क्या को लग रहा तुम लोगों को सोचने में क्यों सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा मैं व्हाट आर द थ्री इनपुट वेज सिंपल बोला मैं पहले कितनी बार बोला एमआरएफ 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 व्हाट इज दैट एमआरएफ
Manual, reference, and formula.
Manual.
why you guys are taking time to think too much MRF right manual reference formula this is manual input this time will not be changed if I write this now function it will be changed okay this is volatile function right I have taken this time as manual but from this time now I want to take read the question
Please find out how many total seconds are there in the time value in the cell of B18.
B18 is this. B18 is this. I want result here from this time. Please find out how many total seconds are there in the time value in the cell of B18. Total seconds. If I want to know what is the hour here in this time, which function I will
10
use?
R.
R.
If it's asking serial number, in what you can give serial number, date or time. I'm looking for hour. Or what I can give? Time is this. Hour is?
10
I want to know minute.
minute.
This time result will be 45.
45.
I want to know seconds from this time. Result will be
35.
how many seconds in 10 hours?
600. Oh, 1 second, sir. 10 hours. 60. 60. 60 seconds. 600, sir. Sorry, 3600.
1 minute, how
36
many seconds?
60
60.
seconds.
seconds.
1 hour, how many seconds?
60
into
minutes.
60.
36,000.
60.
8
60.
8,000
to
is that.
60.
6,000.
36,000.
अरे
10 added. 10 added, sir.
इसमें काहे का कंफ्यूजन है जी? सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ। 1 मिनट में कितना सेकंड होता है?
60 seconds.
हाँ, 1 घंटे में कितना हो गया?
60.
6,600.
60 minute into 60. Yes or no?
60, yes, sir.
1 minute equal to 60. 60 minute equal to 60 into 60. Yes or no?
3600.
Yes.
हाँ, तो वही तो करा मैं 60 into 60. And how many hours? 10 hours into
10
10.
hours.
That is this. Now tell me 45 minutes into how many seconds? 45 multiplied by 60. Yes
60.
or no?
60.
60.
Yes.
This 35 will be 35 only. Okay, this is into seconds only, right?
35 into 60.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
And total
35
कितना हुआ?
seconds. 3875. Okay.
These many seconds in this time. Yes or no? It's matching with the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now instead of writing these 3 different formulas, can I write like this? Our serial number is this. From this, the hour. Then I will multiply by 3600. Yes.
Mhm.
Then I will say plus minutes. Minute from this time. The output will be 45 from this formula. Multiply by 60.
60.
Plus second. Second from this time. Result will be
35.
35. Yes, same result. Let me change this into general format. Same result.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Hmm.
Here, hour into 3600, sir.
Why, right?
Right.
Why this 3600 here?
60 to 60. Right.
And what I put here?
Okay. Sorry, sir. I forgot that column.
Got it? Now clear?
B18.
Okay, how I got the 3600? Tell me. How?
Sir, 10 hours into 60 into 60.
How I got this 10 hours? Which function I applied?
Hours.
Hours.
Can I apply it here?
Yes.
Hour. Nothing but result. Result is how much?
10. Okay. 10.
10 into 3600.
36,000.
What is the
36,000.
result here? 10 into?
60 to 60.
Got it now? Clear?
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now let's discuss this. All days, weekdays exclude holidays. All days. If your project start date was 2nd November 2020, the project end date was 20th November. Tell me how many days you'll have to complete the project, or how many days you had to complete this project in the past.
19 days.
19 days, yes. It is not 18 days. Someone is thinking 20 minus 2, 18 days. No. We have to work on 2nd also, right? We have to work on 20th also. Count it on fingers. It will be 19 days, not 18 days. If you're just thinking 20 minus 2, it will be 18. No. You have to start work on 2nd November. 2nd will be also counted. 20 will be also counted. Yes or no? So this minus this plus 1. That is in 19 days. Now, in this range, or in this duration, you might had Saturday, Sunday also. Yes or no? यस नो बोलने में पैसे थोड़ी लगते हैं, लगते हैं क्या पैसे
Yes.
यस नो बोलने में? सो रहे हैं क्या अपन लोग सब क्लास में?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
I'm in class.
एक ही बंदा बोल रहा है, ओनली साई इज टॉकिंग, अदर पर्सन दे
Sir,
नॉट.
sir, I'm in cab, sir. That's why I'm in mute. Hello.
Got it, got it.
Thank you, sir.
Now 19 days, okay. I want to know that how many days you had only weekdays. I do not want to include Saturday, Sunday. Means how many working days you had to complete that particular project. Which function I will
Five.
use?
Net salary. Yes.
Network days go there and it starts. Start date is this, comma and date is this. How many arguments by the way?
3.
3.
3 or
In
Start date, end date, and holidays.
yes.
mandatory, I'm asking. Mandatory. Tell me.
2.
Two mandatory.
Mhm. I'm not giving the last one. Holidays I'm not giving. Okay. That is 15 working days. 15 working days means excluding?
Saturday and Sunday.
Exactly. Are you getting any questions on this?
So can you go up 15th column, sir? I mean to say 15th day number.
Sorry?
Click on 15, sir.
Click on 15. Where 15? Okay, here.
Networking days. Here I have a question, sir. How did it come to know the days? I mean Sunday, Saturday. It has taken the system dates or
Yes, yes. The function itself
okay.
it configure that it has to exclude Saturday, Sunday. The function configured like that only. But are you getting any other question on this?
Holidays.
Hmm?
Holidays.
Holidays. Okay. What if I have holidays also? Then same function will apply like network days, start date is this, comma, and date is this. What is the last argument?
Holidays.
Holiday.
Let's suppose this is my holiday list. Tell me how many days will be excluded?
2 days.
4 days.
4 days, 2 days, 4 days, 2 days. Tell me 4 days or 2 days?
Days.
4 days.
4 days.
When is the start date?
2.
End date?
20.
Okay, tell me in this range, how many days will be fallen under this range?
2 days.
2 days only,
2
right?
days, sir.
2 days, right? Not 4 days.
Yes,
If a
sir.
project start date is 1st, 2nd
It's
November and it's 20th November, how come this December 1st and December 25th will come under this? No, right? 2 days will be considered in this range. If I take an entire 1 year holiday list or 2 year holiday list also, it doesn't matter. It matters only the date falls between these two range. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means 2 days will be excluded. Close parenthesis. Result will be 13 days.
13.
This is without holiday. This is excluding holiday. Done. Now you get a question. What if I'm working from Monday to Saturday, then your weekend will be
Overtime.
overtime. I'm not asking about overtime. I'm asking
Only
about
Sunday is a weekend.
correct. तुम ज्यादा सोच रहे हैं आजकल बच्चे लोग. यू आर थिंकिंग
Plus,
समथिंग आउट ऑफ द
so
बॉक्स. डोंट थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, थिंक. मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? If you are working in a company, domestic company, wherein you have to work from Monday to Saturday, only weekend is what? Sunday.
Only
Sunday.
Monday.
Or let's take another example. You are working in Dubai. In Dubai, your weekend will be Friday and Saturday. Sunday will be working, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो वो चीज बोल रहा हूँ. उस केस में क्या करेंगे फिर? ठीक है, सिस्टम ने तो अपने को दे दिया. सिस्टम इज कंसिडरिंग सैटरडे संडे ओनली, राइट?
Yeah.
As weekend.
Yes.
Then how can you define your own weekend?
We
That
need
is
to
the question.
customize.
We need to custom the formula. The formula that time will be this one. Read it.
Net
With the
working
answers.
days
Read this message.
returns the number of all working days between two dates with custom weekend
Custom
parameters.
weekend parameters. Double click on it. Start it again the same date, comma, end date will be the same date, comma. The moment I hit
Weekends.
comma, okay. Now you choose your own weekend. Tell me, are you working Monday to Saturday, or your weekend is Friday, Saturday? Okay, let's assume I'm working in Dubai and I have week of
Friday,
Friday
Saturday.
Friday,
and
Saturday.
Saturday. Number will be
7.
7.
either write number 7 manually or double click on this number 7.
Click.
Done. After this, I'm not bothered about week holiday list. Now close it. Result is
14.
now same thing. I have a holiday list also. Network day start date is this, comma, end date is this, comma, working in Dubai will be 7, double click, comma, holiday list. Tell me how many days will be considered?
2 days.
2 days only. Result is
12.
so what is difference between network days dot intl and network days function? These two function, network days and network days dot intl. Difference of what?
Custom weekend.
Exactly. With this network days dot intl, nothing but international, we can call it network days dot international. This function, in this function, we can define our own weekend. Let's suppose someone is working from Monday to Saturday. Tell me which number?
Monday.
Sunday is weekend. Tell me only Sunday. Then which number?
11.
11.
Sunday only, right? 11. Type in 11 manually or just double click on 11. Clear? All set? Okay. Now next. Workday function. The workday function is, if I want to know if your project start date is, let's suppose this, and you have 10 days to work. Tell me when will be your project and date. If you have 10 days, 10 calendar days to work on it. Difference between calendar days and business days is what? Calendar days means
Include
every day.
Saturday and Sunday.
Business days or working days means excluding
Monday
Saturday.
to Friday.
Now tell me, if I say this plus 10 days, 15 or 14, tell me. Starting from today, if you will calculate 10 days, when will be your project end date?
15.
Count it on your fingers and tell me.
10.
14.
14 minus 1.
14.
Yes, 14. Because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. See, 14. Count on your fingers. because you have to work on 5th also. Done? 5th March. Now weekdays, I want to know that, okay, what if I will exclude Saturday, Sunday, then workday, start date is this, comma, number of days, days will 10 days, 19th March. 19th March will be your project end date. Okay, excluding Saturday, Sunday. Now, if I want to give holiday list also, if you have holiday list, then you can give it. That I'll not explain because this is what I already explained you here 2 times. Same thing, workday.intel, what is this?
Your own reference of
On
weekends.
we can define our own weekends, correct. This is the start date and let's suppose 10, comma, let's suppose only Sundays, 221. The date is different. Don't get confused with this date and this date. No, this is Feb, this is March. Okay. Here. This is important. Okay, who can tell me the DOB, date of birth, including year?
1706.
I can tell them that as of today, that person is these many years, these many months, these many days old. Tell me, actual date?
1706.
1706 means 0 means June.
1987.
1998.
87.
1987. Okay. 17th June 1987. Okay. And today's date is this. Perfect. Now, before to know how many years, how many months, how many days old, we need to understand this function. The function name is dateDiff. Few people they are calling it as a dateDiff. Few people they are calling it as dateDiff. Date and diff. dateDiff. Few person they are calling it as a dateDiff. Whatever it is fine. But let me tell you one thing. If I write this function dateDiff, can you see this function available in the system?
No.
It's not available. It's not available. Earlier, this function used to be there, but Microsoft team, they have removed this function. Okay. You can Google it. Why they have removed this dateDiff in Google, you can Google it later. But the reason behind it was because of the leap year issue. Somewhere it went wrong, so that's what they have removed it now. But still, this function will be working in the system. And the format of this formula is this. dateDiff, start date, comma, end date, and then format. What is the format that we need to understand? Format wise, this is the format. Format example. Why it will be giving complete year. Month it will be giving you complete month. Day it will be giving you complete day. YM nothing but year followed by month. MD nothing but day followed by month. Followed by day. Sorry. MD means days followed by month. Nothing but, let's suppose someone has today 1 year old. How many year? Exactly 1 year old. Year wise it will be 1. Yes or no? Year wise. Month wise it will be how many months? 12 months. Day wise, if I want to check day wise, 365. YM will not be anything because nothing is left out, only complete year. So YM will be 0, MD will be 0. Yeah, let's discuss this now. I want to take dateDiff. Okay, dateDiff. Start date is this. My end date is today's date. By the way, let me phrase it so that I can write the formula down. I don't need to write again and again. F4, comma, Start date is this, F4, comma, and date is this, F4, comma. Now, complete year I want to know, so that I will write double quote Y. Done. 36 here. Now let me control D. Let me apply here complete months. 440. 1 minute. How many months? 440 months. If I talk about days, I would say today, as of today, you are 13,411 days old. If I talk about month, only month, 440 months old. If I talk about only years, 36. But wait, I want to know the age like this. Age like this. That I want. Nothing but 36-year-old, 36 years, 6 months, and 25 days old as of today. That I want. In that case, what I will do is same thing. I will take it here. Year wise, okay. And here I want to know month followed by year. Done. And here I want to know days followed by month. MD. Done. Now, as of today, your age is 36 years, 8 months, and 17 days old. Complete year Y. Month followed by year YM. Days followed by. This I will not tell you because I have applied which function?
Sir,
Concat.
is this a volatile function, sir? It will change
Yes. Tomorrow this person will be
tomorrow
how
if
many
you
days old? 18 days
okay.
old, right?
Yeah.
वोलेटाइल रहेगा बंदा, नॉन वोलेटाइल थोड़ी रहेगा. कल इसका एज चेंज हो जाएगा ना. जिंदगी एक दिन कम हो जाएगा. राइट? होता नहीं होता.
होता सही.
लाइफ का एक डे कम हो जाता है एवरी डे. तो टाइम पता है टाइम. Yeah, this I'll not tell. You can use concat this cell, comma, I have concatenated this with year. This cell I have concatenated with months. E35, this cell I have concatenated with days. That I'll not tell. You need to practice concat function. Function is still there, you can use it, okay? Next, date calculations. If I say date plus days, if I say this date plus days, result will be project and date. If I say date minus days, project start date. If this is your project end date, your project start date was, let's suppose 15 days were given to you, and this is your project end date. Means this date minus 15, result will be this start date. Okay, date minus date, nothing but someone, let's suppose, born on 1st December, and as of 28th December, that person is how many days old? 27 days old. This minus this minus this. Okay. Date, today, now, year, month, days. Okay. Day. So days, what is days function? Days function will give you days between two dates. Okay, end date, let's suppose this one, start date is this one. 1 minute, end date is, let's suppose this, comma, start date is this. Between these two dates, how many days are there? 1536. 1536 days are there between these two dates. These are discussed already. these two left, and this also left. These three left. That we'll discuss tomorrow. These three, these two, 5. But please practice on rest of the formula, whatever we discussed today. Tomorrow we'll discuss these two, these two, these three, sorry, 3 to 5 functions plus these 3 exercises. Okay, guys, all set?
Yeah.
Sir.
How was the class today? Good?
Yes.
Good, sir.
Good, sir. अच्छा सर ये अच्छा लगता है सर बाद में बोल देते सब कुछ है ना
Sir,
ऐसा
excuse
कभी
me, sir.
yes you're excused, please tell me.
Bhargav.
Yes.
Sir, yesterday I have posted one question to you, sir. Can I post it any type of queries in group, sir?
Yes, why not? Yes.
It's okay, sir. I will post it. Sir.
Yes.
Sure.
Group all your queries, questions in group only. If
Okay.
you guys are aware about the answer it in the group. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Chalo, thanks. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.